Hello and welcome to a short tutorial of Circular and Hyperbolic Excel workbook. As the name of the workbook explains, it has embedded our latest two technical analysis indicators, and it was created as a simple tool that enables the trader to see the returns that may result in following their recommendations, and also to perform live trades on any market, any asset class, that can be displayed in an OHLC chart. As you can see, the input data is made up of 5 columns. One column for the timestamp of each bar, and the other 4 columns for the 4 prices: open, high, low, close. This data can be fed into the workbook by simple copy-paste job or by any add-in from whatever data provider you might be using in your trading activities. After having the data in columns B to F, you simply click the Load Data arrow-shaped button. And then click the circular button. When processing is finished, you can see in the circular table all the trade recommendations given by circular indicator and also the predicted ones that are given in the future. Also, short backtest statistics of these trades is displayed. Circular is a turning point finder indicator. That is why you can see recommendations on future bars that have not yet started. Circular indicator has an extra setting which is called the risk-reward ratio, which sets the stop-loss closer or further away from the entry as a percentage of the prediction given. Using 20% risk-reward ratio means that we will set the stop-loss at a distance 5 times smaller than the prediction given, having a 1 to 5 risk-reward ratio. After processing a market, if you want to use a different risk-reward ratio, you need to input it in cell I11 and click again circular button to recalculate. This is a visual image of the circular indicator showing us a graphical calculation of the 3 entry points, H, G and D, given by applying a proprietary algorithm on 3 high and low points in the market and the distance in time and price between them. You can see here a succession of high, low, high points, and the H point calculated that gives us a buy recommendation, the G point that gives a sell recommendation, and D point that gives a buy recommendation. Also, both indicators have a leverage button, cell that enables the user to see the performance of the indicator using leverage. Leverage 1 means that no leverage is being used. After trying a new leverage level, the data is updated instantly, without having to click any button. The account sizes in cells S2 and AJ2 can be changed to fit your needs. Hyperbolic indicator is a trend follower indicator, and to calculate its recommendations, you need to click the Load Data arrow-shaped button. If you already calculated circular, you don't need to click this button. Go to Hyperbolic button sheet and click on the hyperbolic button. Go back to data sheet and in formulas, calculation options, set it on automatic again. This will load all the trades given by hyperbolic indicator and also short backtest statistics of these trades. This is a visual image of the hyperbolic indicator showing us how the hyperbola goes above the market, acting as a stop-loss level, preserving our winnings but still keeping us in the trade, hyperbola that is calculated based on past data in the market. To demonstrate how simple and effective this tool is, I will load the Euro-USD currency on daily bars. So let's see what the results are and what is the current trade and the next prediction. As I said before, I will click the Load Data arrow-shaped button. I have my risk reward at 50%, meaning that I risk half of what I might win on each trade, and I set the leverage to 10. I click on the circular button and in just few seconds I'll have my results displayed. You can see that until now on the closed trades I have a profit and loss of 138% with 86 trades. The most interesting part is the current sell trade that was given on the 25th of August with an entry price of 1.3202. In the present time, Euro-USD is traded at a price of 1.2883, which means we are winning so far 319 pips. That translates into $75,000 profit as we are trading a $237,000 account using leverage 10. We will exit the short position and go long on bar 806, which is 3 days from now on 12th of September. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and remember you can purchase right now the workbook tool and benefit from its recommendations an indefinite period for a one-time fee. For more information on how these two indicators work and the great results they give, you can use the link below the video tutorial that leads you to a webpage where you can also purchase the course on which the workbook is based.